Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on system navigation. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. Before we will set the gestures actually, just a quick disclaimer about the 3 buttons navigation. As you can see here, you can reorder the buttons, so you can basically customize this mode, this system navigation, if you'd like to stick with this option. So in order to set the gestures, we have to tap on this option first of all. As you can see, of course, here we've got the animation of how to use it, but of course I will explain it to you later on. And here we've got also the option to hide bottom bar, which is right now turned on in my case. Basically, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for particular gestures, and of course you can hide it. And to be honest, I prefer this option to be turned on, so this screen looks clean, I would say. Here we've got also the gesture navigation tutorial. You can go through it if you want to learn. However, as I said, I will explain everything to you. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page just by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you will see this arrow, and after releasing the finger you will simply go back. It does not really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side, it works the same. If you'd like to go back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be quick and short motion, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents you have to repeat this this gesture, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gesture navigation in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.